Welcome to Card Making with Donna Lynn. In this video, I'll show you Creative Memories idea on how to make an easel card. First, cut 1 inch from a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock. Next, trim the remaining cardstock at 4 1/4 inches. So you'll have an 11 inch by 4 1/4 inch base. I'm making 2 cards, so I'm going to do this twice. Now switch out the straight blade and use the scoring blade. Creative Memories 12-inch trimmer has this handy storage area underneath to store all your different blades. Lift up the housing lid and take out the straight blade and pop in the scoring blade. We're going to make a score line at 2 3/4 inches and again at 5 1/2 inches. Then fold your card base at the scoring lines. Next, use the medium oval pattern from the custom cutting system, along with a blue blade, to cut out an oval from a piece of complementary cardstock. Using the same oval pattern, switch to the green blade to cut an oval from a complementary printed paper. The green blade will cut these slightly smaller so they will fit perfectly onto the solid cardstock ovals. Go ahead and tape them together and then you are ready to decorate. This is where you'll use that 1 inch strip that we cut off at the beginning. Tape it across the width of the oval and then using scissors, trim off any excess. Now you can decorate your oval egg with a quote sticker and a cluster of smaller stickers. Use foam squares with your stickers to give them dimension. To mount your egg onto the card base, use tape runner in a V pattern at the bottom of the egg and use tape runner along the top of the bottom panel of your card base. This will now become the top of your card as you fold it up. You know I use repositionable tape runner a lot, but because of the heaviness of this card, I recommend using regular tape runner. Now you're going to add a large sticker at the bottom of your card base using foam squares, so that will give your easel egg something to tuck behind. I'm doing the same thing for the second card, but changing up the pattern paper and the stickers. You can use different shapes besides an oval. I used this because I thought it was so cute for Easter, but you can adapt this card for any occasion. Just change out the colors, stickers, and patterns. For this card, I'm trimming a 12-inch border sticker of grass so that the basket isn't floating. It helps to anchor your stickers, and I wish I had done that for the first card so that the bunny would be sitting on the grass. That would have been a lot cuter. Anyway, if your card base is a dark color like the one I used, you can add white cardstock, or in this case, I'm adding some lighter colored paper inside the card. This is the area that you'll write your note on. I hope you liked this card idea. These can be folded flat into an envelope and then folded into an easel for some lucky person who receives it. For more card making ideas and simple scrapbooking and journaling inspiration, visit a-ofstory.com.